Will I still have to pay alimony if my ex sleeps with her boyfriend? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. This is a question that came up a couple of weeks ago. It comes up very often. And the premise of this is that in 2012, Massachusetts revised its alimony laws, and there is a provision in this most recent update that states that if an alimony recipient is cohabitating with someone else, living with someone else, then the payor can ask the court to reduce, suspend, or terminate alimony. And the answer to this question about whether you can do it really depends on your specific circumstances and the terms of your agreement. So there are a couple of hurdles that need to be cleared before you can motion the court for an alimony reduction or suspension or termination. First of all, if your divorce agreement reads that alimony is closed off as an issue, then you cannot modify it. And so the language you look for in the agreement is survives. If alimony survives, if the provision on alimony survives the agreement in your divorce, then you cannot modify alimony. It has to merge, and merger means that it can be modified. So that's number one. Number two, in order to be able to take advantage of this provision in the 2012 alimony law, your divorce has to have been finalized after March 1st, 2012, which is when the law went into effect. So if your divorce was finalized before March 1st, 2012, you cannot take advantage of this law. And finally, in order to have a chance to do anything about your alimony payment, you have to meet the statutory requirements. And basically, you have to prove that your ex has been cohabitating with someone for 3 consecutive months. And what that means is mainly you have to prove that they are sharing a primary residence for a 3-month period of time. There are some other factors that the court can consider. The court can consider whether they are holding themselves out as a couple, what the public perceives their relationship is, the degree of their financial interdependence. So those are all factors that the court can also consider in addition to some other ones, but those are the main ones. So basically you have to prove that these people are living together and it's their primary residence in which they're living, and they've been doing that for 3 consecutive months. If you can prove that and you've cleared the first 2 hurdles, then you can ask the court to reduce, terminate, or suspend alimony. If you have any other questions about this, you can call us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. You can also check us out on social media at Farias Family Law. And if you found this video helpful, you can share it with anyone you think might benefit from it, and you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Contact us if you have any other questions.